The dollar index on the weekly chart still have an uptrend structure. So long the dollar index on the weekly chart still have an uptrend structure and price is still on this support level, price bounce off this support level, and we also have a resistance at this level also. We also have a resistance at this area and we also have a support at this level. So what we're expecting for the dollar index this week, so long our major structure on the weekly chart still remain uptrend, we'll be expecting price to go above this level. Then we look for a buying opportunity from this level to the upside. So the dollar index still will remain on a sideways until we see price break above this area before we look at a possible buying opportunity. So let's stay neutral on the dollar index this week. So let's stay neutral on the dollar index this week. Let's look at the daily chart of the dollar index. On my daily chart, we still have a downtrend structure. So long we have this downtrend structure on the daily chart and the weekly has an uptrend structure, it shows both of them are in different direction. So that's why we will continue to have a consolidation movement for price all throughout the week. So we expect price to still continue to consolidate until you see the weekly chart and the daily chart remain in the same direction. So let's look at our next pair, which is the British Pound USD. British Pound USD on my weekly chart still remain on a downtrend. So long we have a downtrend structure on the weekly chart on the British Pound USD, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity. And you can see that price closed on this weekly resistance level. So long we have price on this weekly resistance level, so we expect price to push lower this coming week. Then we also have a support at this area also. Price can also bounce up from this support level. But so let's look at our daily chart. So on the daily chart, you can see price currently on the resistance level on the weekly chart. So, but the structure of the market on the daily chart, the trend of the market on the daily chart still remains uptrend, and the weekly chart is telling not to sell. So long the weekly chart is telling not to sell, for us to sell, we're waiting for price to turn to downtrend before we can look at for our selling opportunity. We look at for price to break below this level, then we'll see a retest back to this resistance before we look at for selling opportunity. For now, we remain neutral until we have a downtrend structure before we look at the selling opportunity for the Great British Pound USD. Euro USD on my weekly chart closed on a resistance level. So long we see price close on this resistance level and we have a downtrend structure which is we have a series of lower high. So we expect Euro USD to continue to push lower this coming week. So let's look at the daily chart of the Euro USD. So on my daily chart, we have an uptrend structure on the daily chart. So long we have this uptrend structure on the daily chart, and we expect price to change the trend to downtrend before we look at our selling opportunity. So all we need for the Euro USD, we expect price to break this level, then we'll see a retest, then we'll look for selling opportunity for the Euro USD. We need a series of lower high for us to sell Euro USD on the daily chart. So look out for selling opportunity if you see a downtrend structure on the Euro USD. So let's look at our next pair, which is Australia USD. Australia USD on my weekly chart close on a resistance zone. So long we see price close on this resistance zone, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity for the Australia USD. So let's look at our daily chart. On my daily chart, you can see that we have an uptrend structure on the daily chart. So long we have this uptrend structure on the daily chart, we can't sell for now. All we need to do, we need a downtrend structure on the daily chart for us to sell. For us to sell now, we need to wait for price to break this level, then wait for a retest, then look for our selling opportunity for the Australia USD to the downside. So let's look at our next pair, which is the gold USD. Gold USD on my weekly chart still remain uptrend and price close on the neutral ground on the gold USD. So long price close on the neutral ground on the gold USD, it will still remain uptrend this week. So all we have to do on the gold USD this week, we will continue to buy so long price is telling us to continue to buy on the gold USD. So let's look at the daily chart of the gold USD. So on my daily chart, you can see we have price on this resistance level. So long we have price on this resistance level, we can't buy on the resistance. All we need to do now, we expect price to come to this support level for us to look for buying opportunity on the gold USD, because we see have the uptrend structure. So long we have this uptrend structure, we wait for price to come to this support level, then we look at our buying opportunity on the gold USD. So we have to wait for price to come to this support level, give us a price candle setup, then we push higher for gold USD. So let's look at our next pair, which is the USDJPY. USDJPY on my weekly chart close on a support level. So long price close on this support level and price also converts a support to what, to resistance on the weekly chart. So all we expect on this weekly chart now, we expect price to do a retest of this support that turned to resistance, then we'll see price pushing lower. So let's look at our daily chart. On the daily chart, we see have a downtrend structure. So long we have this downtrend structure, we'll be looking for price to come to this zone for us to look at our selling scenario. So we wait for price to come to this resistance level, then we'll look at for sell opportunity to the downside for the USDJPY. So USDJPY will be one of our best setup this week. We're looking for price to look, we'll be looking for selling opportunity around this resistance level, because you can see that price on the weekly chart supports the downtrend, price on the daily chart has the downtrend structure. It shows that the weekly chart and the daily chart are in the same direction. All we need now, we wait for price to come to this our area of interest, then we look out for price actions for us to sell the USDJPY to the downside. So if you find this weekly analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.